Okay, so this is a hint for problem number 2. The diagram says that your curve is of the form, what is it? Y square is equal to 8x and x equal to 2. So your curve is bounded by y square equal to 8x, that is the curve which I have drawn there, and x equal to 2. So this is the region you're looking at. So the curve is bounded only by this portion here. Okay, so now it depends. So your line integral C, you can divide it into either addition of two line integrals or addition of three line integrals, depending on whether you want to change x to y or whether you want to change y to x. Now you have to be smart. You want to do less work. You don't want to do something which is more work. Okay, so you ask yourself, along this curve, if I want to change x in terms of y throughout this curve, from here up to here, x is y square by 8. So I can change x in terms of y. And then from here to here, x is 2. So I can get two line integrals. Okay. Now supposing I wanted to change along this curve y in terms of x. Now you'll have to be a little careful here. From here to here, y is equal to square root of 8x. From here to here, y is equal to square root of 8x. But from here to here, so this would be C1. From here to here, y would be negative root of 8x, because from here to here, y is negative. So this would be your C2. And here you have one value, x equal to 2. So there, in this case, along this part of the curve, if you were changing y in terms of x, you would have had to consider C1, C2, and then of course this is your C3. So you would have had to work with three line integrals. So when you're working with this, you have to be smart enough to ask yourself which is the easier way to do it, which is less work to do. So changing x in terms of y is better, because this whole thing can be treated as one curve when I choose x is equal to y square by 8. And from here to here, x is 2. So this is a better option. There is less work. So this is a hint for your problem number